Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Jingïalang Jong Kynhun ki Myntri Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance haga Jingïalang Jong ki haga Shitarik Ulber Arhajar Arpuar kala Shimya Karai ban Mynjur yaka Meghalaya Food Grain SK Oil Public Distribution System Control Order Arhajar Arpuar kane kamut bala penjalan yaka license jong ki wholesaler naka shisnem syaka arsnem bat ki fair price shop lani ki dukan ration ki laban bat yaka license haduk licenem shuaban pentamai biang.
Approval of the Meghalaya Food Grain / SK Oil Public Distribution System Control Order 2022. As you know that as of now, the term of the government wholesaler in PDS is 1 year. Now we are approved for changing into 2 years. And then for the fair price shop, we are as of now it is 1 year, but we have approved for to be 3 years a term.
La Mynjur yaga amendment jong Meghalaya State Consumer Protection, Salary Allowance and Condition of Service of President and Members of State and District Commission Rules Arhajar Arpuwe.
We have also approved amendment to the Meghalaya State Consumer Protection, Salary Allowance and Condition of Service of President and Member of State Commission and District Commission Rules 2021. This is being taken off to see that there is a pay parity of this member.
Hagajukopor La Mynjur yaga Meghalaya Directorate of Sainik Welfare and Zilla Sainik Welfare Army and Navy Service Rules Arhajar Arpo.
We also have approved the Cabinet also approved Meghalaya Directorate of Sainik Welfare and Zilla Sainik Welfare Army, Navy and Air Force Service Rules 2020.
Lawan Ra'ru yaga Ktiin Lampang jong ulat ka jela Hagador bar Mangtengka yaga bala Mynjur daka Kynhun Myntri.
We have taken up the address of Honorable Partner to the Meghalaya Legislative, which duly approved by the Cabinet.
La Mynjur yaki Ordinance kumka Contingency Funds of Meghalaya Amendment Ordinance Arhajar Arpuar yaga ba on sawanra Hagador bar Mangtengka kumka bill.
We have also taken up the formal approval for whatever ordinance which we have taken before, like the Contingency of Fund Meghalaya Amendment Ordinance 2022. We will take it take as a bill in the Assembly.
Kumjuru yaka Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility Budget Management Act Arhajar Nrio.
With the Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility Budget Management Act 2006, which have been approved to be taken as a bill into the Assembly. And also we have already approved to reclassification of the brand of under the of ad valorem amendment rule 376 of the Meghalaya Excise Amendment Rule 2021, amendment of Medwat on liquor.